A land surveyor in Greater Noida plays a crucial role in the development and construction industry. With the rapid urbanization and growth in the region, the need for accurate land surveying has become even more important. A land surveyor in Greater Noida is responsible for measuring and mapping the land, providing precise information about its boundaries, topography, and other features. By utilizing advanced technologies and equipment, these professionals ensure that developers and architects have accurate data to plan and design their projects. The expertise of a land surveyor in Greater Noida goes beyond just measuring the land. They also provide valuable insights and recommendations based on their analysis of the site. This includes identifying potential risks or obstacles that may affect the construction process, such as unstable soil or environmental constraints. By conducting thorough surveys and assessments, they help mitigate any potential issues, saving time and resources for the developers. SCON Design is a leading firm that specializes in land surveying services in Greater Noida. With a team of highly skilled professionals, they offer a wide range of surveying solutions tailored to meet the specific needs of their clients. Whether it's a residential, commercial, or industrial project, SCON Design has the expertise and knowledge to deliver accurate and reliable results. One of the key advantages of hiring SCON Design as your land surveyor in Greater Noida is their use of advanced technology. They utilize state-of-the-art equipment such as DGP systems, laser scanners, and drones to ensure precise measurements and mapping. In addition to land surveying, SCON Design also offers other related services such as geotechnical investigations and environmental assessments. By hiring SCON Design as your land surveyor in Greater Noida, you can have peace of mind knowing that your project is in capable hands. A Greater Noida land surveyor is essential in the development and construction sector. With the region's fast urbanization and growth, the necessity for precise land surveying has become even more critical. A Greater Noida land surveyor is in charge of surveying and charting the land, providing detailed information on its boundaries, topography, and other factors. These specialists ensure that developers and architects have reliable data to plan and design their projects by applying advanced technology and equipment. A land surveyor's competence in Greater Noida extends beyond simply surveying the area. They also provide useful insights and recommendations based on their site research. Identifying potential dangers or barriers to the construction process, such as unstable soil or environmental limits, is part of this. They assist mitigate potential hazards by completing detailed surveys and inspections, saving developers time and dollars. The utilization of innovative technology is one of the primary benefits of selecting SCON Design as your land surveyor in Greater Noida. They use cutting-edge technology, such as DGP systems, laser scanners, and drones, to assure